Happy New Year, everyone. This is a Reese Tow-hitch lock which I got from eBay. Gonna pick it out of the packet. I mean, it's just a wafer lock, so it's not going to be anything brilliant. It's probably easier to get open with the picks than it is to actually release the keys. Oh yeah, this is also the first in my entry for the annual January UK Lock Sport Lock Picking Challenge, where every day in January you're supposed to pick a new lock or a lock you haven't picked before. So you end up picking 31 locks. So this is lock number 1. So let's give it a go. Using sparrows and one of the tremendous turners from Tool. Fits nicely up there. Right, so let's give it a go. Okay, move it on that call. There we go. It is an open. Oh, that's interesting. It's got like 2 points, so maybe you can do a. Yeah, you can. You can have it in 2 positions. Oh, that was fun. All right, see what tomorrow will bring. Take care.